Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add Medium to your Mac dock so you can launch it just like a regular app. No need to open your browser every time. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Next, go to medium.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Now, head to the top left corner of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, and choose Add to Dock. A small window will pop up, letting you rename the shortcut. You can leave it as Medium or call it something else. It's up to you. Once you're ready, click Add. That's it. You should now see the Medium icon in your dock right alongside your apps. Here's the best part. When you click the icon, Medium opens in its own separate, app-like window, totally independent from Safari. You can even close Safari, and Medium will stay open, just like a real app. And that's how to add Medium to your Mac dock in seconds. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.